Hello, let me show you an interactive salesman training demo made with Phonal Technologies tools.
It's sure a great car, but you are asking too much for it. I will give you $7,500.
Look, this car costs much more, and you know it.
Okay, I guess I could go to $8,500 at a push.
You know, some people already test-driven this car, and they are thinking about purchase it soon.
Okay, I could go to $9,000, but no more.
This car is perfect for you. You're gonna love this car, so don't miss your opportunity.
Okay, I'll split the difference with you. But $9,500 really is my absolute top offer.
If you raise your price to 10,000, I'll add a bonus here.
Sorry, but it was my last price.
Okay, I have things to learn here, and this interactive demo can help me with this task.